Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Sahil and welcome to the channel. So we have started a series of technical analysis where we are analyzing various stocks and indexes on the basis of some technical chart patterns and some derivative data. So continuing the series, the next stock that we are analyzing as of today, 30th of August is ICICI Bank. So let's just without wasting any time move to the analysis. Yes. So as you all can see on the screens, this is investing.com, the source I am using to analyze the ICICI Bank Limited India stock, and this is the daily chart pattern of the stock. And if you see, the stock gave a decisive breakout at the levels of 396 and gave a close at the levels of 409.70 on 28th of August, and we expect that the stock prices can show a good upside in the coming trading sessions. If you look at the chart pattern, after making a low of levels of 268 in March, the stock was facing a resistance near this levels of 395, and the stock gave a good consolidation, and this was the third time that the stock was facing this resistance, and finally the stock gave a breakout out of these levels, and we expect that the stock prices can show some good upside if the volume supports. Also, if you look at the Bollinger Band, the stock gave a breakout out of this upper band of this Bollinger Band, and so we expect the stock prices can move up from here. Also, if you look at the volumes are quite good from a past trading session, and if the volume supports, we can see a good upside. Also, if you look at the MACD indicator, the blue line is currently over the red line and is moving upwards, so which is a positive signal for any stock. However, one thing to worry is RSI, which is now at the levels of 73.64. So, as 70 is considered as a level overbought zone for a stock. However, all in all the other indicators are suggesting that the stock prices of ICICI Bank can show some good upside. If you look, the stock after making a low of 360, the stock gave a clearly a move till the levels of 409 after taking exact support at its 50 demo, and is now would be facing some resistance near its 200 EMA, which is at the levels of 423, this red line. So yes, all in all, if someone is looking to invest in ICICI Bank Limited India stock, she can do with a short-term target 1 of 416 and short-term target 2 of 423, which is the 200 demo of this stock. And if the stock clears this levels of 423, the stock would be showing can show levels of 431 and also the levels of 440. And while doing so, one should keep a stop loss at the levels of 395. And yes, let's just confirm it with our derivative data also. Yes, so as you all can see on screens, this is the NSE website, the source I'm using to analyze the derivative data of the ICICI Bank. And let me just zoom in a bit for you all. Yes, so if you look at this is the call side of the data, and if you see, the highest open interest stands at the levels of 420, which also matches with our technical analysis data that the stock would be facing some resistance at the levels of 423, which stands as the 200 demo of the stock. However, if you look at the highest change in OI, that stands at the levels of 10,31,250 at the strike price of 440. So yes, if the stock crosses the levels of 420, the stock is all ready to give a move up to the levels of 440, which was also the ultimate target of which we gave in our technical analysis. So yes, the it also matches with our technical analysis data. And also, if you look at this put side, the highest change in OI stands at the levels of 400. That is at the level that is 8,49,750. So yes, uh, we can expect the stock prices would not move down from here. And if you see our stop loss was at the levels of 395. So yes, it matches with our technical analysis data also. So yes, all in all, if someone is looking to invest in ICICI Bank Limited India stock, she can do with a short-term target one of 416, second short-term target of 423, and if it crosses the levels of 423, the next two targets would be 431, and the ultimate target would be 440. And while doing and if someone see any downside in that, should be considered as an opportunity to enter, and also while doing so, she should keep a stop loss at the levels of 395. And yes, before ending this video, there is a disclaimer here that the above recommendation is only for the educational purpose. Do not consider it as a buy or sell call. Thank you for watching the video.